Hi everybody, welcome to week 8. Only 3 more weeks to go. The focus of week 8 is collaboration and collaboration between educators. So for Learn, you're going to do a learning module on collaborating in Google Workspaces. So Google Workspace is the new name for Google Suite, which is just Docs, Words, Slides, Draw, all of them, Sheets. And then you're going to work on your book club. And then the big assignment is collaborative storytelling, which you'll be doing with your book club group. All right, so this learning module is pretty simple. There's a video with myself going over some ideas and then some other videos, and then you're just going to answer the questions in the right submission box. Let's take a look at Blackboard here in week 8. So this is the folder with collaborating with Google Workspace. This is a video of me explaining the Google Apps for Education, and then these are 3 other resources you can use. This is a presentation I did on rubrics in Google Classroom this year at Q. And then here you're just going to do, imagine you're working in a new school. What is one idea you would bring to your team that uses Google Workspace to help teachers collaborate better? That's it, in the right submission box. Then you're going to meet with your book club. You're going to read chapters 3 through 6. It's really hard to answer these questions if you don't read the book. So really take the time to read the book. I feel like the book is, again, not theory-based. It's application-based. It's something that really will help you in the future. So please take the time to actually read the book. Then you're going to complete the assigned your turn sections, and I'm going to show you those in the Google slide deck. Okay, so then at some point you need to meet with your partners, share your ideas, and then what you're going to do is plan for the final assignment. So the final assignment is done with your group. Okay, then you're going to meet with your book club group after you've read chapters 3 through 6, okay, and completed slides 4 through 5. So for week 8, it's these orange slides here. You're going to read chapters 3 through 6. And then complete the Your Turn page 91 to 92 and the Your Turn page 107 to 110. And again, you're going to type into these boxes. After you've done this, after you've done the reading, after you've done the Your Turn, that's when you meet with your group. Don't meet with your group and before you've done this, because then you won't have anything to talk about. It's called collaborative storytelling. You also will see it called the cell phone fairy tale, because we used to do this in class, in the in-person class, and people would use their phones and make it. So I call it collaborative storytelling now because that's a little more accurate. Probably you're not using your cell phone. But basically what we're going to do is recreate either a classic story or a fairy tale with your group. And they're going to be piecemealed. So each person is going to do a different part of the story, and then you're going to bring the whole story together in one YouTube playlist. And I have 3 examples for you on YouTube. Excuse me. I have 3 examples for you on Blackboard. But you can find more examples. If you Google or go to YouTube and search 407 cell phone fairy tale, there are hundreds. Try to have fun, not to stress out too much about this. It's supposed to show you just an idea that you could do in a classroom of having students collaborate. So don't panic. Then this is the cell phone fairy tale or the collaborative storytelling. So the idea is you and your partner or your group will combine everything you've learned so far. You're going to pick a fairy tale, divide the fairy tale up into sections, create a Google slide deck, and using your original images, props, or pictures. These should not be images from the internet from other people's books. Okay, you can take clip art and make an original story in the Google slide deck, but it should not be pictures of another book of the story you're telling. You'll record yourself, and then your partners will record themselves, and then you'll put all your videos together on one playlist. And these are 3 good examples that show you how you can use a mixture of mediums to complete this assignment. All right, if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out to me on email or on Slack, and I will get back to you as soon as I can.